Hello everyone, and welcome back to Rainy Day Bakery. Today we are making cake roll. We need 5 eggs, 50 grams of flour, 20 grams of cocoa powder, and 50 grams of sugar. First, crack the eggs and separate the egg whites and the egg yolks. Add the sugar to the yolks and beat it. Later we'll add the flour. Now beat the whites. Once the white doesn't fall down, it's ready. Take a third of the whites to yolks and mix them together. Pour the dough into the rest of the whites. Preheat your oven to 150 degrees Celsius or 330 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the dough for 15 minutes. Now let's make the cream for the roll. We need double cream and sugar, and you can always make extra cream for later. Now cut yourself a big piece and enjoy it.